This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Move-in ready home with many updates. Electrical wiring and plumbing were replaced before these owners. New roof installed in 2024. New HVAC in 2023. Laminate flooring was recently installed. Updated kitchen with plenty of cabinets. Nice-sized living room and a spacious dining area awaits. A tankless water heater was installed and allows for instant on-demand hot water. Separate laundry room is just off the primary bedroom with an exit door to the backyard. Come take a look at this cute cottage. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.